Namaskar Amachas. Today we are going to check out Bollywood's latest basketball experiment, Sitare Zameen Par. Now when Bollywood does basketball, players fly all over the place. They're double dribbling, they're carrying, they're traveling, they're kicking each other. Basically they're doing everything except playing basketball. But this one I've heard is going to be different because they hired an actual coach to choreograph the scenes. They got the logo wrong, that's one thing, but I won't blame them for that because see, India doesn't even have a basketball league. What do you expect them to do? So Delhi versus Karnataka Nationals. Our main guy here, Amir Khan, Gulshan Arora is his name in the movie. He likes aggression, man-to-man defense.
Man-to-man marking करो ना यार.
Take it all the way to the rack. Don't settle for jump shots and all. Thing is, the head coach doesn't agree with his philosophy. I mean, see, he has a point. Delhi is playing passive, Karnataka is dominating, but the game is not the place to fight this out, machas. The head coach is trying to coach, you're out here like distracting him, so of course he's going to get mad. And this is not a good look in front of all the players out there. Now, I don't know, they might have forfeited the game after this. Okay, so now our man is angry. He goes, gets himself like knockout drunk. Then he starts driving. Arey macha, this is not a basketball court for you to drive so aggressively and create contact. This is a road. Draws a charge like their prime Marcus Smart.
ये कोई जगह पार्क करने की?
And Gulshan Arora needs to go to court, not the basketball court.
आप जानते हैं आपको 2 साल की सजा हो सकती है?
2 साल?
आपके साफ रिकॉर्ड और पहला अपराध होने के कारण ये अदालत आपको जेल नहीं भेजना चाहती।
अरे
क्या आप इंटेलेक्चुअली डिसेबल्ड लोगों के बारे में कुछ जानते हैं?
पागलों के बारे में?
A guy has anger issues, he has drinking problems. You know what? Let's make him coach some intellectually disabled people. What a brilliant idea. Your Honor, this is a DUI case, not a DEI case. Are the high courts actually high or what? From write an essay to now go coach intellectually disabled people? I guess if you have connections, you have money, anything flies. So let's get to the basketball. You'll see a little later why this judge chose this punishment.
क्या है ना, बाकी खेलों में उनको थोड़ी सी तकलीफ होती है, बहुत सारे रूल नहीं याद रख पाते. बास्केटबॉल थोड़ा आसान है, गेंद उठाई टोकरी में डाली बस.
No way.
This guy sums up what Bollywood thinks of basketball in one sentence. Just take the ball, put it in the basket. Who cares about rules and all? We want entertainment. Gulshan is out here trying to teach the triangle offense to kids with, I mean, not even kids, these are adults, to adults with autism and Down syndrome. Well, it's hard enough to teach normal people that. Let's see if they can execute this in game without, doing violations. Okay, I'll give them some credit. They are running the triangle offense. But there is no defense. Yeah, they're not playing great basketball.
राजू बॉलमैन के लिए स्क्रीन बना. बॉलमैन के लिए स्क्रीन बना. 2-1-2 formation, boys. 2-1-2 खेलो. 2-1-2 खेलो. Zone defense. Zone defense.
They're playing exactly how you expect intellectually disabled people who've been playing basketball for 3 months to play. But hey, at least it's still basketball. I mean, the skills aren't great, but at least their strategy is on point. Oh, and they called a foul? And the 5 foul free throw limit too?
Free throw. Foul.
Very realistic ending to a basketball game, huh? No over the top dunks, just shoot some free throws. A lot of basketball games do end on shooting free throws. People just keep fouling each other towards the end. Oh, look who's here! That kid is her son.
Very good, Gulshan.
Oh.
Now you'll see why she asked Gulshan to coach this team instead of going to jail, paying a 10,000 rupee fine like a normal drink and drive case. Although she did suspend his driving license, probably because nobody else wanted to coach this team and her son just loves basketball. I mean, what a mom, right? Oh, next game they've faced a guy who's been playing for longer than 3 months, I think. Pretty good moves. And all 100% legal. He's actually playing like maybe a 13-14-year-old kid would play. Nothing extremely flashy and over the top either. Ooh, he's a lefty too?
Table, substitute.
रोक दिया.
This guy is genuinely showing us the entire playbook. The good, the bad, the ugly. He bought in the Draymond Green tactics. Of course, now both these players are out of the game and Gulshan's team wins. Not the way you ever want to win a basketball game. But these guys are taking realistic to a whole new level.
और इसी जीत के साथ टीम सितारे पहुंच गई है फाइनल्स में.
Now, just like that, Team Sitare has reached the finals. Judge is happy, her son is happy, everyone is happy. Now Gulshan wants to recruit some talent for that final matchup.
मैं नेशनल गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट था.
नेशनल्स
स्पेशल लोगों का. मैं दिल्ली का कप्तान हुआ करता था, लेकिन मेरा मेडल छीना गया था.
क्यों?
हमारे कोच ने नाइंसाफी करी थी. टीम में 2 बंदे ऐसे भी थे जिन्हें ना तो डाउन सिंड्रोम था ना ऑटिज्म, कुछ भी नहीं था. फर्जी सर्टिफिकेट पे खेल रहे थे.
Damn! Classic Indian basketball coach problems. Who needs good tactics when you can have cheap tactics? Unfortunate for this guy, his coach just happened to get caught.
तब से मुझे किसी कोच पे भरोसा नहीं है.
I feel that. I love how this movie actually tries to bring out a lot of problems both in basketball or sports in India in general. The kind of problems the people with intellectual disabilities face, which is actually the point of the movie. Anyway, he succeeds in recruiting this guy. It's finals time! They start off by getting dominated royally by this other team. Their triangle offense is getting spiderweb left and right. These guys are intercepting like 100% of their passes. And Gulshan Arora does what any sensible coach would do in this situation. Invoke the power of the sun. Just kidding. He calls a timeout.
अब से सारे हाई पासेस, एयर पासेस, ऊपर के पासेस सब बंद, सब कैंसिल. सारे पासेस हम लोग नीचे से करेंगे. ग्राउंड पासेस नीचे से पास करना, बाउंस करके पास करना. Got it? Yes, sir. Come on, guys. 1, 2, 3.
You know, this sounds obvious and all, but a lot of you can learn from this one tip. You fake up and pass down works surprisingly well. And most people in the heat of the game, they'll just forget about this completely. They'll chuck like the most obvious passes and they'll keep getting ripped again and again and again. I can tell a coach actually choreographed this. No, what are you doing? That's going to be a backcourt violation. And damn, just as I thought we were about to finish a Bollywood basketball movie without a single violation, this nonsense happens. That too on a game winner, man. What's the referee doing? Call that. Anyway, he just chucks a reverse granny like, dude, that's a terrible shot. After all the wonderful strategy, the brilliance of this game, you come up with this? I guess winning really is not the objective of this movie. But I'm gonna be honest, if that one shot had gone in, no, I would have lost it. Like, that would be a classic Bollywood basketball moment. Anyway, this was a great movie. If you want, go watch it. It's on YouTube Movies itself. You can like rent it. It's about so much more than basketball. Of course, the intellectual disabilities and understanding them is there. Like they actually casted people with Down syndrome and autism. These guys weren't acting. Damn. No wonder it seems so realistic. It goes into his personal relationships and how Gulshan himself transforms as a person. It's about sportsmanship. Like this movie ends with the coach who got smacked in the beginning calling up and then recommending Gulshan Arora.
आपने मेरा नाम रेकमेंड किया?
गुलशन अरोरा, आदमी तो तुम सुअर हो, लेकिन कोच कमाल के, और अब आदमी भी ठीक ठाक हो गए हो। Congratulations, कोच साहब।
That takes real sportsmanship and swallowing your ego, man. I wish more coaches could be like these two guys. Would do a lot of good for Indian basketball. Now, yeah, this movie was a remake of Champions, which was a remake of the Spanish movie Campeons. I guess that's how you pronounce it. But it's still nice to have this remade for the Indian audience in Hindi. And I'm glad they didn't violate the crap out of the rule book until the very end, because how can you finish Bollywood basketball without a violation, right? Which Bollywood movie should I watch next? Would you want something nice and legal or something crazy? If you want something crazy, check these out. There's enough wild stuff out there. Subscribe and turn on all notifications. Until next time, machas.